Hey everybody, if you are a small business owner or entrepreneur working to market your business to your customers and clientele, you know that it can sometimes be a challenge. And a big part of that work is developing your company or business brand or branding. Getting that brand recognition so that when people see your logo, they immediately know exactly who they are looking for when they're searching for your services or products. And today I'm going to show you a couple of tricks that you can do on Facebook that can greatly help to get that information, which is your company branding, out there to the masses, and they start recognizing you as your business. So let's get into this. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and like I said, working on your business branding, especially if you're a small business or entrepreneur, it can be a challenge, especially for small businesses, because oftentimes as the owner of that business, you might be doing this work yourself. And there are some really easy tricks that can help make this easier. So developing your brand for your business or your company, or maybe you're developing a personal brand for whatever it is that you do for your work, your living. We spend a lot of time and energy and potentially money on the graphic design for our businesses, and a lot of that is what we're utilizing to help the people that we want to have as our customers recognize us and know who we are. That branding needs to say something about our mission for what we want to do with our business, and it needs to really say something about the aesthetic of how we do what we do. There are a couple of ways, specifically on Facebook, that you can utilize your business branding, your graphic logo information, and help people recognize you as your business. And they're really easy tricks. They aren't something that you have to do every single time that you're on Facebook, but utilizing your social media marketing and all of your social streams for the purpose of developing your business brand is really helpful. And it's one of the fastest ways to start getting business to come into you. So let's switch over to the computer, and I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about on Facebook today. And this is really gonna help. So let's switch over to the computer.
So really quick, I want to switch over to my personal business page and start telling you what I'm talking about here. And these are a few easy spots that once you get these things done, they can really help ramp up your business branding and help people get to know you quickly. So the things that I really wanted to point out to you today are the logo that you're utilizing for your header on your Facebook page, because that's a really important spot to have some of your company branding on that header, as well as your company or business avatar here on the far left of your screen. And these are really key spots to really think about what you want to have in those particular locations on your company Facebook page, because when you are interacting as your business on Facebook, those are the things that are going to show up for people. So for starters, I am going to show you one of the things that I really encourage people to do, and that is to like other businesses and companies that you do business with and that you do business with as your business, to like other businesses' pages. And that enables you to be able to tag those businesses within the posts that you share on Facebook. And hopefully those other businesses will also do the same for you. That way you're getting cross marketing happening between your businesses. So I'm going to use a friend of mine's business, and at the moment here we are My Business, and you can see I go just by my personal name, so it's basically a personal brand that I've developed. And I'm going to go to another friend of mine's page and show you exactly what I'm talking about. And her business is called From the Ground Up. And I've actually already liked her page personally, so it comes up pretty quick for me. So as you can see, her business here is the second one on the list. So her avatar here, as you can see, her little logo, she uses a picture of herself. And you can see that here on the left of the list. And then her name, her business name, which is the direct link to her page. And there again, you see her little logo here. And this is one spot that I would suggest to her to get a little bit of graphic branding on her header. That would help a little bit. But I really wanted to show you exactly how to like another business page as your business page if you don't already know how to do this. So right underneath the header of the page for the business that you're wanting to like as your page, you've got the buttons for liking that page, and this is what you would do if you're just liking the page personally. And you can choose to follow that page or share it. The little menu button here on the far right, just to the right of the share button, is what you want to be clicking on. And you can see you get a little drop down menu, and the fourth one down, like as your page, that's what you want to select. And in this case, you get another menu that comes up that you can select which of your businesses or pages that you manage that you want to have like her page. So in this case, My Business has actually already liked her business, but I'm going to use another page that is really important to have like her business page, and that is an organization that both of us happen to be members of, and that is AIFD Northwest. So I'm going to select that and just hit submit. And okay. And now that I've done that, anytime that I'm interacting on the internet with her and her business, I can select whether I want to be doing that personally or as my business. When you do it as your business, that's when your company or business branding really starts to get noticed and people start to recognize that logo. So now I am going to go back to my page just to show you what I want to point out as far as getting that brand recognition going, because my page that I'm on here, I also like her page as my business profile on Facebook. So if you scroll down on anybody's business page, on the far right side in this menu column here on the right, you get down here towards the bottom and you'll see a box that contains the other pages on Facebook that your page has liked. And you see, I liked her page not that long ago, so she actually shows up on the top of the list. But you see how her logo or branding information comes up here, and her business name, when you scroll over it, again, you get more of her business branding. You also get her Instagram feed link, and that is where your branding, where people really start to get to know you. Now, hopefully, if she would have done the same, or hopefully she probably already has, liked my page, anybody that comes to my page, if they go to that same button and like my page as their page, that way I will show up, or I should say my business will show up, and my logo will show up in the same spot on their page. So even when other people are looking at her page, they'll see that, oh, this is another business that these people really like and they do business with. So it helps build trust between your business and potential customers. So that's what I really wanted to point out to you, is to really think about what your overall logo looks like on your header, and also your profile little avatar here, what that looks like, because that's really what is showcasing your business and is the face of your business and what you want people to recognize. So if you can get in the habit then of spending some time on a regular basis on Facebook as your business, that's when you comment on things and engage with people, and this little bit of your business branding and your business name is going to start showing up for people. So they'll start being able to recognize you as your business. So those are your Facebook tips for helping to promote your business branding on Facebook. So let's finish up this video.
Okay, so now that you know those few key points with Facebook for your business marketing, you can really put this to work and start engaging with your customers and future customers as your business on Facebook. And gradually, more and more people are going to start to recognize your logo, and they're going to get to know you, because ultimately, the customers that you want are repeat customers. And the more you can get all of your customer base to know, like, and trust you, they're going to be that much more loyal to you and your business. I hope you found all of this information helpful today. If you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that bell icon, that way you'll make sure to get notifications when I do upload new videos that might be helpful for you. And of course, definitely give this video a like, it helps a lot. Until next time, be well everybody, and go work on that marketing. See you soon.